get brushes, okay? I am going to be doing that for you guys, and let's see how that goes, because I don't know if that is going to be okay, right? What I need you guys to do right now is to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up at the end of the video, and comment below who's your favorite makeup artist on YouTube currently right now. We're going to get right into that video. Guys, this is like the first tutorial I ever did, and this is probably the easiest part of this tutorial. Like, I prime my face all the time. And moving on, I'm starting with my foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation by Revlon, okay, and I'm using the shade 33. Guys, I don't know what's going on. And I'm just gonna start with, I guess, the darker color. Apply it to my face. And that was way too much, y'all. You see, guys, it's really blends into my face really well. Anyways, so just using my fingers to blend all that together. I don't know, guys, like, this is ridiculous. I'm like beating my face. Okay, now I'm about to go with that lighter shade right quick. And I'm using 2 fingers now, I guess. Okay, and I'm just gonna dab it on my face like that, I guess, because it's gonna be, I guess, easier for me to apply. This is not easy. I don't know what I'm doing. See, I've seen videos on YouTube how to do the video, but the thing is, you know, it's just not that easy. Why people think it's easy? It's not, you know. I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna smooth all that into my face like this, I guess. I should have used a matte because this is very, what do you want to say? I'm just gonna paint my face, okay? We're gonna be like in kindergarten. We're painting our face. Okay, y'all? And make sure you get the ears, because you don't want to forget that.
It's ridiculous. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm literally beating my face, y'all. Like, I'm beating the shit out of my face, okay? So you want to beat the shit out of your face. This is the best I could do, I guess, for the foundation. And I'm going to be using my LA Pro Concealer, okay? And this is in the shade Yellow. Okay, and you just want to work it in there like that. You don't want to, you don't do a lot, okay? Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This concealer is one of my favorite concealers. This is in the shade Chestnut, but I'm using that as a for my contour. No brushes, okay? No brushes. All right. So I'm guessing these 2 fingers right here are like gonna be the 2 fingers I use, but in this part I want to do gentle. Anyways, when I even use a beauty blender, like, you want to be gentle with the contour, because you never know, like, you can mess up the contour if you go too dark. So you want to always start light first, because when you start light, you always have room to make mistakes, and, you know, it's just better to start basic, and then, you know, as you progress, you go further and deeper pretty much with the color, if you know what I mean. So we're just going to dab it in, like, gentle, I guess. Okay, and I'm just working that in. And I'm using the other 2 fingers that I didn't use to blend that out, because I don't want extra product on my face, you know? It's just not cute. Alright, and there we go. I have to have a little bit forehead. And I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose with that same concealer. All right, we're gonna use the pinky finger because it's just looking like this. Oh God, this is not a good contour, okay? The nose, I don't know. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying for y'all. But this is, I don't know about this. Contour, oh God. See, my contour is never this wide, number one. Let me see what I can do about that. But I'm gonna try this wide. Let's see, I'm gonna try something new, y'all. Maybe it's gonna be even better with my fingers. I don't know how to even see this, y'all. I need a little more on this side because I feel like I don't have enough. I'm using only my fingers. This is hard. Let me take a double look. Oh, I'm just working this concealer. See, I'm adding the yellow concealer into here. You want to work that all the way up there to where your jaw, where your brow starts, you know. Did I really just say jaw? Yeah, I'm so crazy. Okay, the nose is not looking too bad, y'all. Actually, I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of thinking it. I actually might do it this way from now on. Who knows? God, I'm really having a struggle with this. And I'm just blending it in. But you know what? Rihanna be doing this too, y'all. So let me stop, because Rihanna be doing that fancy stuff. I'm like, yeah, gotta get on Rihanna. Okay? Y'all see the fancy kinda, and there's no fancy in here. Alright, and I just want to set everything. And what we're actually going to set that with is actually a translucent powder. And translucent, it stays the same color. And you guys are seeing this now, basically. This is what's happening. The translucent powder is setting my face, and it's looking nice, and it's looking like it's coming together, okay? Right. I don't know, I have like an old makeup thing here, like the pre-up palette, but I have an old makeup thing here, and I'm just gonna use the side that is more clean, all right? And we're gonna put the makeup on there, okay? We're gonna do that. I'm gonna start with the concealer, I guess, over here. And I'm gonna use one finger, and I'm just gonna work that into my face, okay? And I wanna do it gently because when you use a beauty blender, you don't have a lot of makeup everywhere, pretty much. You don't, I don't know what I'm saying, y'all. Let's just watch the video. Anyone can do this. Your mother. Okay, this is not a magic trick. And voila, what do we see? Now, I'm gonna set my nose. This is kind of hard too, but you wanna set it like this, gentle. And I'm just gonna go down the bridge, where I put the contour. And while we let it set, we're gonna actually move on to the eyes, okay? And we're gonna just do it. We're gonna just set the rest of this. We're gonna just dab it in like that. Who cares, right? We could be messy, right? No one said there was a wrong or right way to do this. Holy moly. So now that we have our eyebrow set, I'm actually gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cream pomade, okay? And I'm just gonna dab my finger in there, and I'm gonna actually use that and try to draw my brow. I'm just gonna start gently. Okay. And you already know how I do my brows. If you guys want an updated routine, actually, you guys can leave that in the comments, and I will do another video for you guys. Alright, and this is not looking out the brows. The hell happened here? What the fuck? Y'all see this. But I'm just gonna clean that up, I guess. Just, the brows can be a little messy, and they're a little thick, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Y'all look crazy. I'm like dabbing, I guess, the front part. And, well, you know, I'm just gonna use another finger. Okay, and I'm just gonna work that, I guess, to make it look like an ombre effect, kind of, you know. You want to see like a blend of shades. We're gonna fix this, y'all, don't worry. Like an ombre effect. You want that illusion, I would say. And I'm gonna just clean that up. Alright, and now we're just I'm gonna set the concealer, I guess. But what I do want to use is use a different concealer. Or I could just use I'm gonna use, where is it? No. I'm gonna go actually back in with that same concealer. And I'm gonna, define my brows, okay? And now I'm left-handed and I use the left hand. I gotta clean this off my hand, but I'm gonna try to use a different finger, okay? I'm just working it in. I wanna go, I guess, higher, okay? And just work it in there, I guess, somehow. You know what? We're gonna just do it like this. Maybe it's easier like this. And yeah. Hey, A for effort, y'all. Okay. And I don't think I'm even gonna dare attempt to mess with the top part of the brow because I'm looking crazy, I know. Not bad, my brows actually look like Beyonce's today. Okay, we're gonna do something a little different since it's Halloween, okay? I'm gonna do a different kind of cut crease. I have this is not a brush, okay? So I can use this, I think, right? Concealer. Should have thought about that. That's not gonna work because we're gonna go with orange because this is not working. Look at this, y'all. What is this? I don't see, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. And oh, by the way, if you guys want to know about my backdrop, I actually made this backdrop for only $5 at Walmart. Okay, so all you need is some glue, some sparkles, and boom. A piece of fabric and you're good. So if y'all want to know how to make that backdrop, actually leave it in the comments below and I will tell you guys and show you guys how to do that in a YouTube video, okay? Okay, so I'm actually going to go in with these two colors here and I'm going to put that on top of the eyelid, okay? And we're just tapping it on. And y'all know I like glitter, so we're about to add some glitter and stuff to this, some gold colors or something. I don't know what I want to do yet, but we'll see. Okay, I can do the eyes better, I guess. I'm gonna actually go in with a deeper color. We're gonna actually use this brown right here, and we're gonna actually dab that into the crease to give us like a smoky look, but we're not gonna go all the way, okay? Y'all see what I mean? And it's not giving me really what I want, okay? So I'm gonna actually go in with this gold powder too, and I'm gonna use that in the inner crease, but I'm gonna use my pinky, and we want a little glow because it just makes your makeup stand out and it looks so much better, guys. That's all I'm saying. Like, look at this. Maybe the top part too. That was a little too much, but we're doing something different, I guess. We're doing a new style. And blend. Let me know if y'all like this already. Right now I'm gonna actually take in my Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. Okay, this is the Photo Focus Setting Spray. Let me tell you how refreshing that felt, guys. Like, that really already made a big difference in my look. Do you not see this? Like, actually use the glow again for our glow. And we're gonna go gentle. Just adding a little bit to my face and working it in like this. I don't want to do too much, y'all, you know? It's just, I have to, I guess, because I'm an extraordinary person, you know? So, y'all see the glow. Fenty. This ain't Fenty, y'all thought. Y'all thought. That glow is popping today, y'all. What's out there today? Ooh. I'm gonna use actually the side of my pinky because I want a slimmer, I guess, contour on my nose. Just easy like this. To dab it in. Boom. Glow. There we go. So we're gonna add this color at the bottom part of the eyelid. Because And that was probably a little too much, but we're doing a Halloween look, so it's okay. Just gonna add some extra to it. It would have been smarter to do it like that this time, but it's okay. We're just gonna add it to the face. We're gonna give it an illusion like we are kind of sick, like a bruise, but there's no bruise. Okay, and we can mix it too, or something. We can, yeah, we're gonna mix it. And you guys, because it's Halloween, I want to do like a darker color too, because my face is looking a little, you know, I think I need a little darker color. So I'm gonna have, I have this blue, where is it? It must be on like a Wet n Wild shopping spree, because I bought this highlighting powder, okay? It's illuminating, and this is really great, y'all. Let me just show y'all what it looks like, okay? So I can open it. Not too bad, y'all. We're gonna actually add some of that in there as well. But we don't need a lot because it's pigmented, y'all. Unless y'all wanna go pigmented. And yeah, that's it. And we're gonna be using our Forever Matte lipstick, okay? And this is by Forever Matte, okay? This is, I don't even know, but this is the shade Bare Berries, okay? Now let me hurry up because my phone's on 5%. I'm gonna add that into my lips, just like this. Okay, so you can actually leave it like this for the lips, or you can go with another color. And if we're doing Halloween, we're gonna actually go dramatic, and we're actually gonna use a white lipstick, okay? All right. We're gonna go on that Wet n Wild. And we're gonna use a little bit of the orange, same concealer, or both of this too, and we're gonna actually do an ombre effect. Now the last thing we're gonna actually use is the Fenty Beauty lipstick, lip gloss, okay? And this is, I think this is this, I forgot what you call it. And we're just gonna use 2 things of those on top of the lips. Alright guys, this is the end result. I don't know. Let me just see how I did, y'all, like up close. Y'all, this is a fail. But I did the challenge and this is what it looks like. And as you guys, I said in the last video that if you guys comment in my videos and whoever comment I pick the one I like the most out of the video, they are going to be featured in the next video. So same rules applies this time, and you guys have to do the same thing. So the winner is boom. Thank you so much for being on my channel. You guys are amazing. I love all y'all like crazy. Like, okay, so y'all mean the most to me, okay? I'm not doing this for like publicity reasons. I just do it because it's fun, you know? So I want you guys to have fun with me and be on my channel and learn things about me, and I can learn things about you guys, and we can grow together, guys. Let's elevate, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.